Hi everyone, I just wanted to make a quick video about this Essential Flow Pendant that I've been wearing for the past 2 months. So when I first got the package, I knew it was this because I honestly couldn't believe what I was feeling. I could feel the energy around the package, which I've never felt before in anything that I've bought. And I can't believe what it's done for my energy and well-being. EMFs, nnEMFs are everywhere. They're man-made EMFs and they cause a lot of stress on the body. But when I first put this on, I instantly felt more energy flowing around my body. And then 3 hours later, I felt nauseated and I had a migraine. And I didn't realize you had to go really gently with this. Like, this is super powerful for some people. And I took it off and instantly those symptoms went away. So I knew I was having a detox reaction from wearing it. Then over the next few days, I decided to build up my tolerance to it. So I'd wear it for an hour, I'd be off for an hour, I'd wear it for another hour, off for an hour. And within a week, I wear it 24/7 now when I sleep, when I'm in the sauna, all sorts of, I just wear it 24/7. I do take it off in the shower, but, and I can't believe what it's done for my energy. And my sleep's better, my mind's clearer. I know when I haven't got it on. Like if I went on holiday recently, I got in the sea, I just knew it's just not the same. The other effect it had on me is I could really feel the EMF stress that was in my body when I started wearing it, because it was sorting it out. I don't know how it was sorting out, it just was. And the other effect it had on me is I just knew I needed to go and stand on the ground and just ground my body, probably to help release this EMF stress that I had, which I couldn't feel before I put this pendant on. I sleep on a grounding sheet anyway, so I thought I was pretty good. But the combination of the two has really, really protected me from EMFs. So I wear this during the day, I wear it at night time, and I sleep on the earthing sheet at the same time. And it just feels so nice. Like, we are bombarded with Wi-Fi and 5G and all other EMFs 24/7 that we don't even realize how it's making us feel. And the other thing I've been doing is I've just started structuring my water with it, and I can't believe the effect it's had. It changes the taste of it, it changes the texture of it, and I can also feel like I'm getting more from my water. For the skeptics out there, I honestly don't care. I know what I'm feeling. And it's absolutely incredible. And I honestly can't believe it. It's been amazing. The other thing is, it's quite durable. Like, I dropped it on our tiled kitchen floor, and I was like, oh no, what's it gonna do to the energy of the pendant? And it hasn't changed it one bit. So I'm really impressed with how strong and sturdy it is. So yeah, I'm gonna leave a link to the podcast that I listened to with Adam. And I believe there's a discount code in there too, which you can use. So if you're interested in buying it, go for it. I'm not affiliated with this company. I'm just sharing what's working for me. And we're all bombarded by EMFs, whether you know it or not. And it's super important to protect you from it. So yeah, anyway, the Essential Flow Pendant, super, super impressed. Peace.